Hello everyone, it is Friday and it is the last day of our home learning. Well done, give yourselves a big woohoo! I'm very, very proud of all of the hard work that you have done while you have been learning at home. And on Monday, we are back in school all together and I am so excited to see you and can't wait, and I bet you can't too. So let's finish our home learning all together. We are going to be working in our comprehension workbooks today on page 10. So for our activities today, you will need your workbook and you will also need your whiteboard and your whiteboard pen. Now it is Friday, so we're going to play a game to get our brains warmed up. But before we do, I've just got a superstar shout out for Nancy. Now, Nancy, you wrote me 4 sentences and asked me to draw you a picture when we did this activity earlier on in the week. So I just want to show you the picture that I have drawn for you. And Nancy asked me to draw a dragon. She asked me to make sure that my dragon breathed red fire. She also asked me to make sure that my dragon has pink eyes. And the dragon must have green, scaly skin. So shall we see, Nancy, if I managed to draw your dragon correctly? Let's have a look. Are we ready? Here we go, Nancy. This is for you. Here is your dragon. Let's double check. It's got pink eyes, it's breathing red fire, and it's got green scales on its skin. So Nancy, this is for you. I've written your name at the top to say a big well done for completing my challenge, and I will make sure that this is in school for you on Monday when you come back and you can take it home, okay? So a big superstar thumbs up, well done. So moving on then to today's learning, we are going to warm our brains up with a game. We are going to do my high frequency word game with our timer. So you will need your whiteboard and your whiteboard pen. I'm going to play along with you, and we have learned 20 high frequency words over the past 2 weeks. So I want to see how many high frequency words we can remember in just 1 minute. Now, underneath my 2 yellow shapes, I've got all of the high frequency words that we have been learning. But let's see how many we can remember. Don't forget, a high frequency word is a word that appears all the time when we are reading. So it's those words that we want to learn just by looking at them by sight. And some of them can be a tricky word as well. So get your whiteboards and your pens ready. Lids off. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And don't forget, they must be spelled correctly as well. Have a really good go. I know you're going to be whizzing through this because we've been practicing them in our yellow books, haven't we? Are you going to beat me today? I think so. Adults, you can help. You can always shout the word and see if they can write it, okay? Oh, I really want to win you one. I'm trying to think. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and pens off your board. Excellent. Put your lid on your pen. Count how many words you've written and write it in a circle. I'm going to show you mine. You can show me yours. Get your adult to take a picture. Send it to me. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Show me your boards. I got 8 today. How many did you get? Did you beat me? I bet you did. What a brilliant game. Okay, I can't wait to see your boards with all of your high frequency words on. Now let's just check and have a read of some of the high frequency words that you could have had on your board today. We're going to read them together, and remember, we're going to read them by sight. So shout them out as I point to them. But, all, up, on, the, is, my, and what. Well done. Did you get any of those on your board? Next lot. Shout them with me. Are, for, at, she, was, they, with, and this. Brilliant job. How many did you get? Take a picture and send it to me, or get your parents to tell me in their email to me today, okay? Brilliant job. So moving on then, we are going to have a look at our final activity in our comprehension workbooks. And today's learning question is, can I listen and read clues to solve the riddle? Wow. So first of all, we need to think about what a riddle is. So a riddle is a little bit like a clue, and you have to listen and you have to try and solve the clue to find out the answer, okay? So if I said you need it to write with in your lessons, what do you think that could be? A pen, well done, or a pencil. So it's a clue and it gets us thinking and using our brains as to what it could be. So today I've got 2 riddles and we're going to read them together, and then we're going to reveal the picture and see if you got it right, okay? So let's do the first one together. We've got 2 sentences to read, and this will give us the clues to our riddle. So the first word is a tricky word, they. They keep your feet. They keep your feet warm. They keep your feet warm. Now straight away with just one clue, I think I might know what it is. But I think it could be 2 things, so I think I need another clue. I think I might need another clue. Let's read the second clue and see if it helps us. They, now we've just read this word, remember, so we can have a look and see if we can read it now without chopping and blending it. Keep your, they keep your feet safe. So they keep your feet warm and they keep your feet safe. Now with my first clue, keep your feet warm, I thought it was going to be socks, because they keep our feet warm and toasty, don't they? But then it says they keep your feet safe. Now I know that we must wear something on our feet to keep them safe. And those things also keep your feet warm too. What do you think is going to be under my shape? Shout it out. Have you guessed? Have you solved my riddle? Let's have a look. It is shoes. Well done if you got that correct. Shoes keep our feet warm and shoes keep our feet safe. Brilliant job. Okay, let's do the next one. Reading together. You use me to dry. You use me to dry. So if we are wet and we want to get dry, what do we need to use? Let's look at the second clue to make sure we're right. I am soft. I am soft and fluffy. Remember our rule, sometimes the y makes the e sound. Fluffy. Fluffy. I am soft and fluffy. Now, we've got 2 clues there. Shout it out. What is my riddle? What am I? A towel. Well done, year 1. So we've got towels because they are soft, aren't they? And they keep us dry. Well done. So we've got 2 riddles there. Now today, in your workbook on page 10, you will see that you have got some riddles to solve. So let's have a look at them together. So in your book, you have got 4 riddles. You should be able to read each sentence independently, okay? Underlining and adding your sound buttons to help you. And then you've got to choose which item is the answer, okay? So you've got to read your 2 sentences and then choose which one is going to be the answer to your riddle. So have a really good go. You've got 4 there. And then, as your challenge for the day, I would like you to write me a riddle. I would like you to think about a riddle. Think about something that you could write a sentence about, and I want you to make me a what am I. Thinking about a super sentence, having a really good go, and I will solve your riddle over the weekend. And then on Monday morning when we come back to school, I will tell you the answer and you will have to see if I am correct. Okay? I can't wait for these. I hope there's some really good ones. So have a really good day today. You've worked really hard. You've got 2 days off before we finally get to come back to school. So thank you so much for your hard work over this time. You have all been brilliant. So a big thumbs up from me, and I can't wait to see your smiley faces on Monday. See you soon.